Happy National Ceiling Fan Day! Yay! So, I'm going to be doing the ceiling fan and the ceiling fans in my car shed, or ceiling fan room, if you want to call it. So, here's low. This fan I got it at the start of the year. We had an electrician hang it up. There used to be a crappy light kit up there. Crappy light. I had some fluorescent lights that were on there. They all died, so I'll have a ceiling fan then. Have no light. Medium. I'm going to turn it on high, but I'm not going to turn it on for that long because it's out of balance. And I don't want it to come loose. Yeah, this thing is... Actually, the wobble's not quite that bad. It's out of balance because I stop it with my hand all the time. And it's kind of probably bending the brackets. These type of brackets wouldn't break. It's only the ones that I have on my ceiling fans that can break. Here's reverse. And off. Always keep it on low, but I'm going to turn it back on low. The rest of the ceiling fans in my house are actually all just the exact same. Yeah, all the ceiling fans are all the exact same in this house. So, there's no point of filming. So, starting with this is a Casablanca. This is one of my favorite fans. My beautiful Casablanca. I'm just gonna let it spin down. This is a SMC with a industrial motor in it. It's gonna be a small spin. Yeah, that one kinda clicks a little bit. We have this SMC here, which has plastic blades I've just taped back on. There we go. This one will slow down because its bearings are buggered. This one here, SMC Industrial. That one there is another SMC Hugger. That's a Hampton Bay. We have a Hubble Breezeway. Let's go back inside because I forgot to show you a couple things. Now we're back in my room. There's this thing. That's actually a good fan. I have a Hampton Bay Courtney under repair. And here we have some fan parts. This originally went to the Hampton Bay Courtney. Now these two are going to go to it. And here I just have some fan grates. Light bulbs for ceiling fans. They're for ceiling fans only. I have a down rod, which is really dangerously poking out. It's a long down rod. I have nowhere to put it, so I just put it in here. This is a center cat to stand fan. We have a mini fan. A couple of stuff and tools for down here we have the down rod ball and canopy to the Hampton Bay Courtney. Most of these parts that are in here to that fan, except for the grates. Those grates there are really good grates. I like those grates. That's why I put them there, so they wouldn't get stood on. And I just dropped the ball. This part here is going to go to the Hampton Bay. This is just a wire coupler. Probably the whole fan will be silver. I'll be getting the blade brackets to be turned into silver, or I might be painting the blade brackets black so I can have black blades. Black blades. Let's open the door. The fan motor on the floor. I'm just gonna pick that up. Sorry, my room is a mess. Oh, we had a fan blade under there. Yeah, this goes to the fan with the plastic blades that I've taped the blades back on. Glad the tape. My Ranger poster fell off the wall. Oh well, that this happened before. I have another fan blade. These are rainbow fan blades. The paint's coming off this one. There's another coat under there. Let's go back out to the shed. Right, let's go into the shed. Sorry, our backyard's a mess.